This case study highlights how businesses today must choose between on-demand IT support and managed IT services. On-demand support is reactive, leads to unpredictable and fluctuating costs and downtime. In contrast, managed IT services offer continuous proactive support, predictable expenses, and foster stability and growth. This leads to stable operations with regular maintenance, proactive issue resolution, improved productivity, and competitive advantages. Our research shows that transitioning to managed services can reduce downtime by 30% and boost efficiency by 25%. Don't wait. Secure your business's future with managed IT services.